Hi, just want to give you an update to all the apprentices. Obviously, the market's going a bit crazy. Just so you all know, we monitor the algorithms and everything 24/7. Just make sure they're robust, they're holding up. And from what we're seeing, we're really, really pleased with the results. Everything from sort of the slightly longer term, in the case of Barclays, and the falls we've seen there, to the more shorter term stuff, and most recently in terms of sterling US dollar, it seems to be reacting and going back up a bit at the moment. I could fully understand if you decide to take your profits. That's on our 15-minute one, that completely collapsing, which has been out there. Now, remember, whatever you're doing, don't get greedy. Trade with a relatively small size. Think of the worst case outcome, not the best case, the worst case outcome. Just know that we are going to start doing probably more broadcasts, more posts, just to handhold all the apprentices on the private channel for pittspredatory.com. Just because of everything that's going on. Yes, it's been good. Remember, there are people, as they said in that film, I've forgotten the name, there are real people losing real jobs here. Not from Google, obviously, but when you look at the timeframes on some of these things and how quickly things are collapsing, and that in terms of Google, for instance, that as a short is roughly a 50% return. This is ridiculous in such a short space of time. Or you look at Disney, you see all of these falling in one direction. The last time I saw this happen, obviously, was during the stock market crash of 2008. Now, Marks, this has gone up again, which has been great. But like I say, apprentices, just so you know, we will... I'll do more on the Telegram channel, more broadcasts. We keep an update, as all companies do, on what's going on. Just so you know, the algorithms are running perfectly well under the extra stress of the markets. All is fine from that perspective, and they're capturing trends well. But keep your discipline. Do not get greedy with these markets. And please remember, before posting on social media of any gains or what you're doing, that there are real people losing real jobs as a result of this. The whole point of this software is to help you personally. It is not to help people gloat about returns that they're making. Thank you very much.